Hey there, I'm Edward with Kreativize. In just 1 minute, I want to share with you something that could really transform your business, right? It's all about email marketing and getting those conversion rates sky high. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about personalization. It's not just about high name anymore. We're looking at crafting emails that speak directly to your customers' needs, right? Imagine sending emails that are so spot on, your customers feel like you're reading their minds, right? Next, we have segmentation. This is key. Gone are the days of one size fits all marketing, right? We segment our audience so that each person gets exactly what interests them in the exact time. It's like having a spokesperson built right in your email content, right? That's fancy. And here's the clincher, testing and optimizing. Ever wonder why some emails get opened more than others? We test subject lines, email layouts, and even the time we send them out. It's the secret recipe to boost those conversion rates sky high. Think about it. Your email could be the highlight of someone's inbox, right? That's so exciting if you do it right. So why not join Kreativize? Let's make your emails unmissable and keep those customers clicking. Remember, it's not just email. It's your gateway to connect with your audience like never before. Let's make every email count. Stay tuned and keep your business rocking.